Viewers, the Congress's intolerance to Sanatan is out. Congress has attacked DK Shivkumar, one of their own, for attending the Mahashivratri celebrations. Can you believe it, viewers? This also lays bare a deep-seated hypocrisy. We'll tell you about it. Just a day after the grand conclusion of the Mahakumbh, a historic event Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed as a symbol of awakening, a breaking free from the centuries of subjugation, the Congress has once again shown its discomfort with anything that carries the fragrance of Sanatan Dharma. Viewers, it tells you so much about a party that preaches secularism but flinches at the sight of its leaders embracing Hindu traditions unapologetically. DK Shivkumar has been lambasted for treading dangerously close to the Hindutva line, a line Congress seems to see as a point of no return. Congress loyalists have gone so far as to call it a compromise with secularism, as if celebrating a festival rooted in our spiritual heritage is somehow a betrayal of the Congress party's principles. Viewers, now contrast this with Rahul Gandhi, the party's poster boy, who spent years crafting an image as a Shiv Bhakt. He calls himself Shiv Bhakt. He has flaunted his Janeu, the sacred thread, undertaken the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra, and even waded pictures of Lord Shiva's Abhay Mudra, if you remember, in Parliament to signal his devotion. When it suits him, he is quick to drape himself in the garb of a devout Hindu. Yet, when someone like DKS does it, the party feels secularism is under attack, under threat. Viewers, if Rahul Gandhi's Shiv Bhakti is acceptable, why is DK Shivkumar's participation a sin? It's a question, a legitimate one. Viewers, the intolerance is not just towards DK Shivkumar, no. It's against the very essence of Sanatan. Congress wants the optics of Hindu devotion without the substance. Rahul Gandhi can play the Shiv Bhakt card when cameras are rolling, but God forbid a leader who genuinely engages with that faith outside the approved playbook of 10 Janpath. Viewers, at a time when Bharat is rediscovering its roots, Congress risks alienating itself further by clinging to a distorted version of secularism that alienates rather than embraces. Viewers, if Rahul Gandhi's Shiv Bhakti is kosher, then Shiv Kumar's Mahashivratri attendance should be a non-issue for the party. But it's not. Anything less is proof that Congress isn't just intolerant of Sanatan, it's actually terrified of it. And that fear, viewers, could well be Congress's undoing.
ಈಗ ನಾನು ಈಶಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಪಾಪ ಸದ್ಗುರು ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಸೂರವರು. ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಐ ಅಡ್ಮೈರ್ ಹಿಸ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಚರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಬೇಕಾದ ಜನ ಕಲ್ಲು ಹೊಡೆಯವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟೀಕೆ ಮಾಡೋರು, ಟಿಪ್ಪಣಿ ಮಾಡೋರು. ಪಾಪ ಈ ಕೇಮ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಈ ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಈ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ದೆನ್ ಈ ಕೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಹೋಗಿದ್ಲಂತೆ. ಈ ಸತಿ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಕೆಲವರು ಆಲೇ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಲೆಲ್ಲ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಟು ಇದು ನಾಟ್ ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಟು ದಿ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪಾಪ ಇನ್ನ ನಾನು ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಹಾಕುಂಭ ಮೇಳ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಹಿಂದೂ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಹಿಂದೂ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೈ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಹಿಂದೂ. But I love all religion.
I was born a Hindu. I will die as a Hindu, says DK Shivkumar. But this is a threat to secularism, the Congress's brand of secularism. Viewers, let's open this up. Sanju Verma, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, political analyst. Abdul Razak Khan on the show. Akhilesh Katiyar, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Vivek Srivastav ji completes the panel. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, राहुल गांधी तो शिव भक्त हैं, वो तो खुद बोलते हैं, अभय मुद्रा के बारे में बात किया है उन्होंने. तो डीके शिवकुमार अगर महाशिवरात्रि में हिस्सा लेते हैं तो उससे सेक्युलरिज्म कैसे कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो रहा है?
Now, Pranesh, one thing is very clear. He has not attended a Shivratri program. He has attended a program of Sadhguru, which was also attended by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji in his private capacity. The Congress party has got nothing to do with what Shiv Kumar ji does in his private space. And we are here discussing about same Shiv Kumar, whom the entire ecosystem of the right-wing Hindutva were criticizing just a few months ago for being minority appeasement, doing minority appeasement politics in the state. He was even termed as a Muslim person out there. This is the hypocrisy of the right wing, that you want to side with DK Shiv Kumar. Today Shiv Kumar has become a better
which
Hindu
side are
than
you
most
on,
of you.
Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji?
You
Which
are
side
siding
are
with
you
him.
on? अब
It
कहाँ
doesn't
यहाँ
matter.
इधर उधर की बातें कर रहे हैं? Which side are you on? बताइए. I am with you. Which side are you on?
Now, what do you want to? What do you want to hear? It's not a question of which side I am. What dress I wear, what food I wear, which God I pray to should not be anybody's interest, point of interest. It is my absolutely personal prerogative. I consider somebody as a fraud. You may consider him as a Baba or a Godman. That is up to you.
Okay.
That's up to me and my belief that
So
I consider
three
him
names.
as a fraud.
Okay.
It doesn't hardly matters.
Kamruzaman ji, you सुन लीजिए sir.
No,
You have spoken about three individuals, three names you've taken. Shiv Kumar, Shah and Sadhguru. Now tell me, and let me add Lord Shiva. Of these four, what is problematic or most problematic? आप नम ऑर्डर में भी बता सकते 1 2 3 4.
Problematic is the thought process of the Hindutva cabal, which thinks that the Hindu religion or the Sanatan religion is the absolute of this cabal. Anybody who sides with any godman, any religious scriptures, or goes on a spiritual journey, how can a congressman be devout Hindu? That is your biggest question and biggest problem.
Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, as usual, आप सवाल समझे ही नहीं, or maybe you understood and you don't want to answer. Let me bring in the Sam Pitroda on the panel. कौन है? Do we have Sam Pitroda on the panel? No, we don't have. We have Vivek Srivastava. Vivek sir, आप क्यों हंस रहे हैं सर? सैम पिट्रोदा जी तारीफ पे क्यों हंस रहे हैं, आप बताइए.
नहीं, मैं तो सैम पिट्रोडा का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूं, समर्थक भी हूं. मैं तो उनके हर जुमले को, हर बातचीत को बड़ा सपोर्ट करता हूं. लेकिन यहां पे देखिए, डीके शिव कुमार टोटली गलत हैं. मेरे हिसाब से ही इज टोटली रॉन्ग ओवर हियर. नॉट बिकॉज़ इज अ शिव भक्त.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव सर सुनिए,
आपने बोला
1 minute sir, 1 minute
और
sir, 1 minute
है और सदगुरु है.
I haven't even asked you a question. मैं तो वो सवाल ही नहीं पूछ रहा था. I will not ask you about DK शिव कुमार, क्योंकि उसकी तो आप तैयारी करके आए, मुझे पता है आप क्या बोलेंगे.
अच्छा चलिए.
Let me make it make it more difficult for you. Sonia Gandhi had written a letter to Sadhguru. Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji बोल रहे हैं Sadhguru fraud हैं. Sonia Gandhi was endorsing a fraud.
जी, अब आप सुन लीजिए, इसका उत्तर सुन लीजिए आप. इसका उत्तर आपको जवाहरलाल नेहरू में मिलेगा, जो हमारे पहले प्रधानमंत्री हैं. द फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया टोल्ड द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद नॉट टू गो टू सोमनाथ टेम्पल इन द कैपेसिटी एज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद वाज अ वेरी रिलीजियस मैन. उनके यहां पे भंडारे चलते थे, पूजाएं चलती थी, वो मंदिरों में जाते थे, दान देते थे, और जवाहरलाल नेहरू को कोई समस्या नहीं थी. लेकिन जब आप किसी बड़े ओहदे पे आ जाते हैं, और आज टुडे व्हेन वी आर फाइटिंग द हिंदुत्व ब्रिगेड बिकॉज इट इज ब्रेकिंग द नेशन, पीपल आर फाइटिंग. लोग मस्जिदों के बाहर जाके डीजे बजा रहे हैं, मुसलमानों को पकड़ा जा रहा है, सब्जी बेचने वाला, पंचर बेचने वाला, दे आर बीइंग थ्रेटेंड ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स. उस समय डीके शिव कुमार को जाकर के अमित शाह के साथ एक सदगुरु, चाहे वो सही है या गलत, शेयर करना स्टेट गलत था.
ये स्टीरियोटाइप नहीं करने दूंगा मैं. पंचर बेचने वाला,
you can object as much as you want.
नहीं, ये पंचर बेचने वाला मतलब व्हाट डू यू मीन? पंचर बेचने वाला मतलब
हाँ,
ऐसे मत कीजिए सर. यू नो,
वो गरीब मुसलमान,
शो सम रेस्पेक्ट प्लीज.
जहांगीरपुरी के
शो सम रेस्पेक्ट.
जो है वो है ना.
ये पंचर कहां से आ गया? विवेक श्रीवास्तव देखिए, यू स्टार्टेड व्हेन आई डिडंट आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन यू वर स्माइलिंग. अब सवाल सुनते ही आप गुस्सा हो गए. क्यों गुस्सा होते हैं सर? मुझे मत डांटिए. आई एम टेरिफाइड ऑफ यू विवेक श्रीवास्तव. 1 minute. Let me ask you, sir, सुनिए अभी रुक जाइए 8 minutes, sir, 8 minutes. Hear me out. I am asking about सोनिया गांधी. आप नेहरू पे चले गए. When I speak about नेहरू, फिर आप बोलते हैं कि आप नेहरू को हर डिबेट में क्यों ड्रैग करते हैं. ये देखिए, ये प्रॉब्लम है आपके साथ. सोनिया गांधी ने चिट्ठी क्यों लिखी? आप मुझे इसका जवाब देंगे. राहुल गांधी अपने आप को शिव भक्त क्यों बोलते हैं? Why was Rahul Gandhi talking about Lord Shiva's Abhay Mudra in Parliament? Is Rahul Gandhi any less important in the Congress's scheme of things?
You see, the problem is you are endorsing Mr. Amit Shah, sharing the stage with him in a religious function. आपको भगवान शिव की पूजा करनी है, डीके शिव कुमार अपने घर में कर ले. क्या शंकर भगवान की कृपा नहीं आएगी? Do you need a Sadguru, or do you need the BJP, or do you need Amit Shah for Lord Shiva to give you blessings? When you know what is happening in the country,
ये राहुल
there
गांधी
are
को भी
pictures
बता
being
देते.
made to glorify.
ये
you know,
राहुल
God
गांधी
knows
को
whom.
बता देते सर. ये राहुल गांधी को बता देते.
बिल्कुल.
By the way,
आप-
other
आप-
people who
आप-
met
आप
Sadhguru.
रोज
1 minute,
पूजा करिए, sir.
Vivek Srivastava, now calm down. Listen to me and watch the pictures on your screen.
जी.
Revant Reddy has met Sadhguru. Is Revant Reddy a fraud himself? Siddaramaiah, the Karnataka chief minister, was seen with Sadhguru. Is Siddaramaiah a fraud? Ashok Gehlot has met Sadhguru. Is Ashok Gehlot a fraud? And someone from the Gandhi family, someone very close, Mr. Vadra, he is met Sadhguru.
The timing is
What
wrong.
does he? No.
The timing is wrong.
Timing क्या है? पहले fraud
timing is
नहीं
wrong.
थे, अब fraud है. Timing का कहां से आ
Timing
गया
is
इसमें?
wrong. The event is wrong.
Oh, the event is wrong.
टाइमिंग
Sanju
इसलिए
Verma-
गलत है क्योंकि कुंभ को बीजेपी भुनाने की कोशिश कर रही है.
ठीक है सर. अभी
Timing is wrong.
I will come
The event
to you
is wrong.
in round 2.
The presence on the stage of Amit
Sanju
Shah is
Verma,
wrong.
what does this tell you about Congress's mindset? Look, Rahul Gandhi can be a Shiv Bhakt, but DK Shiv Kumar can't.
Pranesh, first and foremost, let me make one thing very clear. Prime Minister Narendra Modi का नाम directly, indirectly ऐसे debates में आता ही रहता है. So let me say that Narendra Modi is truly secular and does not need bhashan from anyone from the other side of the ecosystem, be it visiting the Grand Istiklal Mosque in Indonesia, be it celebrating with full pomp and gaiety the 400th birth anniversary of Guru Tegh Bahadur from the ramparts of the Red Fort, be it proudly flaunting his Hindu credentials by partaking of the Ram Janmabhoomi Pran Pratishtha celebration, or it is thanks to the Modi government that the Al Hakim Mosque in Egypt was renovated, or for that matter, paying obeisance at the Ajmer Dargah by chadhawing a chadar. Narendra Modi ने secularism truly follow किया है, चाहे ecosystem कुछ भी कहे, it is immaterial. It is there for the public to see and judge. Second point, I think Pranesh actually, set the tone of the debate by saying there are 4 S's. शिवजी के खिलाफ पूरा इकोसिस्टम है. क्यों? Because they hate Hindus. फिर ये सदगुरु के खिलाफ है. क्यों? Because their hatred is not for Sadhguru. Their hatred is for what Sadhguru stands for. They hate Hindus basically. फिर बात करते हैं अमित शाह. Third Shah. Amit Shah is another person who wears his Hindutva proudly on his sleeves without any fear or fervor. इनको अमित शाह से तकलीफ है. फिर बात करते हैं डीके शिव कुमार. In fact, Pranesh, I just want to read out in 10 seconds the statement of AICC Secretary P.V. Mohan after he found out that DK Shiv Kumar had partaken of the Mahakumbh Amrit Snan and had attended the Mahashivratri celebrations at Isha Foundation. Thanking for an invitation from someone who mocks Rahul Gandhi, the hope of the nation, and someone who aligns with RSS's narratives while serving as the president of a secular party, it misleads party workers. It is conviction rather than compromise which ensures the Congress party's growth. Otherwise, it damages the core, and DK Shiv Kumar has damaged the core of the Congress party. This is AICC Secretary P.V. Mohan, who has actually tagged DK Shiv Kumar and said this on Twitter. P.V. Mohan DK Shiv Kumar की शिव भक्ति देखकर इतना rattle हो गए हैं that he said visiting Isha Foundation and being on stage with Sadhguru has damaged the core of the Congress party. Look at how the ecosystem is rattled. पूरी तरह से बौखला चुके हैं, पूरी तरह से बिलबिला रहे हैं.
Any other person is entitled to, the faith that he wants to embrace. We are no one to dictate to him. I am only on the aspect of, Congress's double speak. That while Rahul can call himself a Shiv Bhakt, and nothing happens to him, secularism is not harmed. When DK Shivkumar attends either the Mahakumbh and the Mahashivratri, there's a problem. Ishtaran, how is secularism under threat?
No, of course, any time you celebrate a Hindu festival, secularism comes under threat, constitution comes under threat, democracy comes under threat. You can have Christmas celebrations where politicians go. You can have iftar parties, which were big political attendees of various parties coming, then it is okay. But the minute a leader goes to Mahashivratri, of course they will have a problem. And this problem is not limited only to going to Mahashivratri. This problem is seen in Diwali, in Holi, in any Hindu festival at all. Because the reason is very simple. They do not want it to be grandly celebrated. At a time when European nations are celebrating Diwali and officially celebrating it, at a time when you have a Kash Patel as becoming a director of FBI and taking his oath on Bhagavad Gita at a time where Britain has had a Hindu as a prime minister, but only in India it becomes a loyalty test not to attend Mahashivratri. And we saw panelists objecting to Mr. Shiv Kumar going there. Well, and then give an example of Mr. Nehru. Please, let's be very clear. He expressively did not want the president to go there. And Mr. K.M. Munshi, who had notable contribution in restoring Somnath Mandir, what happened to his political career under Mr. Nehru is well documented in history. So do not today try to say secularism consists of not going to Hindu festivals in a Hindu majority country. Every democracy, they start by saying, for example, US, they start by saying we are a proud Christian and they think they are secular. In France, President Macron proudly says what his religion is, and that's not a problem. It is only in India that some pseudo-secularism who have insecurity, who have complexes, who are apprehensive of people openly celebrating Hindu festivals, they are the only ones who come out.
I'll tell you, they fear, Ishtaran, I'll tell you, they fear. Actually, the biggest fear that they have is that they know their vote bank will slip away. Now, less said, the better about this vote bank. Abdul Razak Khan, what is the problem if DK Shivkumar has attended Mahakumbh and Mahashivratri? Why is the Congress attacking him?
सर स्पिरिचुअल गुरु जी है सदगुरु, अब उनको आप बीजेपी के नेता बना देंगे? सर, ही इज नॉट अ पॉलिटिशियन, कम ऑन.
Abdul Razak Khan, I agree with you, but no, 1 minute. Then Abdul Razak Khan, I agree with you. Why drag Sadhguru into this? Why call him a fraud? Ask Kamruzaman Chaudhary. I want you to ask Vivek Srivastava. आप थोड़ी देर के लिए एंकर बन जाइए, आप पूछिए कमरुज़मान जी को, how dare you call Sadhguru a fraud?
सर,
विवेक श्रीवास्तव को पूछिए.
मुझे बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगा जिस तरीके से उन्हें बोला कि पंचर बेचने वाले. मेरे बहुत करीबी दोस्त हैं विवेक श्रीवास्तव जी. दैट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. नाउ व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू कन्वे, डीके शिव कुमार इज अ प्राउड प्रैक्टिसिंग हिंदू, एंड शिव कुमार का मतलब होता है कि वो शिव भक्त हैं. शिव कुमार इन कनाडा, इफ यू टेक इट इन हिंदी, इट इज शिव भक्त. So on Shivratri,
नहीं, एक मिनट. इसमें नहीं, इसमें no, 1 minute, sir, 1 minute. This logic, 1 minute. Abdul Razak Khan, 1 minute. 1 minute. Viewers, I disagree with this logic that just because someone's name is Vivek, the person will use the Vivek to speak. I disagree. अब उनका नाम शिव कुमार है तो वो शिव भक्त है, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है.
No.
अब्दुल भाई, ये आपने एग्जाम्पल देख लिए, आपके आसपास ही है. I want you to ask one question of Vivek Srivastava. जरूरी थोड़ी है एंकर ही सवाल पूछे. आप पूछिए ना विवेक श्रीवास्तव को, पूछिए.
From Congress questioned or criticized.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आपने कैसे बोल दिया? आपने कैसे बोल दिया वो फ्रॉड है? शिव कुमार शुड नॉट हैव गॉन देयर.
सुनिए, मैंने सदगुरु को क्वेश्चन नहीं किया. मैंने डीके शिव कुमार की विजिट को क्वेश्चन किया है, क्योंकि वहां पे अमित शाह की प्रेजेंस थी. अभी कुंभ समापन हुआ है. कुंभ को इस सरकार ने पॉलिटिकली मिसयूज किया है, लोगों की भावनाएं भड़काई हैं. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया में क्लियरली लिखा है, नो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट कैन प्रमोट और प्रोपोगेट अ पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन. आप सिर्फ फैसिलिटेटर हैं यहां पे हिंदुत्व के. और मैंने पंचर वाला किसको बोला? मैंने उन गरीब मुसलमानों के बारे में बोला. कोई फल बेचता है, कोई चाट बेचता है, सुन लीजिए, कोई पंचर वाला, उनको विक्टिमाइज किया जाता है. जहांगीरपुरी रॉयट्स के बाद सबसे पहले
सर विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आप क्या बोल रहे हैं?
जब माहौल इतना खराब है तो डीके
आप क्या बोल रहे हैं? ये पंचर वाला, फ्रूट वाला, ये क्या बोल रहे हैं सर? ऐसे स्टीरियोटाइप से बचना चाहिए आपको विवेक श्रीवास्तव। मैं बोल रहा हूं, दिस इज दिस इज नॉट गुड फॉर योर सेफ्टी। आई एम टेलिंग यू, डोंट से सच थिंग्स। वो देखिए, अब्दुल भाई भी गुस्सा हो रहे हैं, ऐसे मत कीजिए। लेट मी ब्रिंग इन अखिलेश कटियार। अखिलेश जी, अखिलेश यादव जो आपके नेता हैं, उन्होंने पहले छपरी बोल दिया, पता नहीं क्या क्या बोला, आपको तो पता ही होगा। अब डीके शिव कुमार का जाना यहां पे, आप बताइए, कांग्रेस आपकी अलायंस पार्टनर भी है, सही है या गलत है?
नहीं प्रणेश जी, करीब 20 मिनट हो गए हम इस डिस्कशन पे बात कर रहे हैं। शिव कुमार जी किस धार्मिक फंक्शन में जाते हैं, किस आध्यात्मिक कार्यक्रम में शामिल होते हैं, और ये उनका बेहद निजी फैसला है, और मुझे नहीं लगता कि इससे राष्ट्र को कोई नुकसान हो रहा है। हम बात कर सकते हैं कि उनके राजनीतिक जीवन में वो जो करते हैं उससे समाज को क्या नुकसान हो रहा है, अपने राज्य की जिम्मेदारियां वो सही से निर्वाह कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं, इस बात पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे तो हम कोई पॉइंट जरूर दे सकते हैं। लेकिन क्योंकि वो किसी धार्मिक या आध्यात्मिक कार्यक्रम में शामिल होने जाते हैं, ये उनका बेहद निजी विषय है, तो ये उनकी अपनी व्यक्तिगत पसंद नापसंद है, उनका विश्वास अविश्वास का विषय है। इस पे मुझे नहीं लगता कि हमें कोई टिप्पणी देनी चाहिए इस बात।
नहीं, अच्छा ठीक है, डीके शिव कुमार के बारे में तो आप बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं कि निजी विषय है, नहीं बोलना चाहिए। फिर योगी आदित्यनाथ को छपरी बोल दिया, महंत को माफिया बोल दिया, ये ऐसे क्यों सर?
नहीं प्रणेश जी, आप सवाल अगर आप कर रहे हैं तो सवाल आप ये भी साथ में करते तो कितना अच्छा लगता कि किसको सुअर बोला गया, किसको गिद्ध बोला गया, ये भी साथ में ऐड कर दिया करिए। सवाल पूरा
बता दीजिए, आप बता दीजिए। मैंने तो बता दिया, मैंने बता दिया कि योगी आदित्यनाथ को छपरी बोला और उन्हीं को माफिया बोला। आप बता दीजिए सुअर किसको बोला?
प्रणेश जी, किसी भी साधु को, सन्यासी को अपने शब्द व्यवहार में सलीका रखना चाहिए, शब्दों पे संयम रखना चाहिए। व्यवहार में आक्रामकता अगर बनी रहे तो इससे लगता नहीं कि आप साधु और सन्यासी है। हम तो एक बात जानते हैं कि पूरे इस आयोजन में, जो कुंभ का आयोजन हुआ, एक धार्मिक आयोजन था, और उस आयोजन से शायद ही किसी व्यक्ति को कोई ऐतराज रहा हो, क्योंकि एक हिंदू धर्म, सनातन धर्म का एक इस तरीके का बड़ा कार्यक्रम था जो हर 12 साल में होता है। लेकिन जब बीजेपी अपनी असफलताएं, अपनी नाकामयाबी, अपने फेल्योरनेस, आप उसके कबर में जाके छुपके आप उसे ढकने की कोशिश करते हैं।
संजू वर्मा इज रेस्पॉन्डिंग। संजू वर्मा
के नाते उसमें अपोजिशन।
प्रणेश, अरे भाई साहब, अभी आपकी बात सुन ली हमने, थैंक यू। Pranesh, let me make one thing very clear. Taking off from what Ishkaran said, he made a brilliant point that, be it FBI Director Kash Patel, who proudly takes oath by placing his hand on the Bhagavad Gita, or Tulsi Gabbard, who's never, felt shy of the fact that she's a practicing Hindu. बाहर जो लोग रहते हैं, उन्हें सनातन धर्म से कोई, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। सारी की सारी प्रॉब्लम यहां पर जो भारत में रहते हैं उन लोगों को है, और वो भी सनातन धर्म से। And I'll tell you what, just let me read out these lines in 10 seconds. This is what Pandit Nehru wrote to Rajendra Prasad on the 2nd of March 1951. My dear Rajendra Babu, I confess I do not like the idea of your associating yourself with the spectacular opening of the Somnath temple. This is not merely visiting a temple. This has now assumed political proportions. I will not like to press the matter further, but I think you should refrain yourself from participating in this spectacular event as it could lead to Hindu revivalism. और पंडित नेहरू ने जो 1991 में कहा था, वही चीज राहुल गांधी आज 2025 में भी दोहराते हैं। एंड 2024 में ऑन द ईव ऑफ द प्राण प्रतिष्ठा सेलिब्रेशंस, व्हाट डिड राहुल गांधी से? ही सेड, अरे ये जो ऐश्वर्या राय है ना, ये आपको मंदिरों में नाचती हुई मिलेगी। और आपके अखिलेश यादव ने क्या कहा? योगी आदित्यनाथ को तो छपरी कहा। He also brought in the analogy of Ravan, and he brought in the analogy of Mathadhish Mafia. What do you mean by Mathadhish Mafia?
कमरुज़मान चौधरी,
Mathadhish Mafia का मतलब क्या है?
कमरुज़मान चौधरी, if you really believe DK Shiv Kumar by participating in Mahashivratri has undermined secularism or Congress's core values, as someone put it in a post, what action do you recommend against DK Shiv Kumar?
No, I recommend action against the Prime Minister of this country, against the Home Minister of this country. Look, Dhirendra Shastri, another fraud. He might be guru to some. I'm very sorry. Who had prescribed Gomutra and Haldi as a cure for cancer, inaugurating a 200-bedded cancer hospital. That is the biggest level of hypocrisy that India is facing. Our own honorable Prime Minister is visiting such ashram. Sadhguru, he has been exposed by Shyam Mira Singh of various fraud in his ashram going on, and the Union Home Minister attending his program out there. This I am objecting to. Shiv Kumar ji, in his own right, in his own private space,
Right.
visits anybody, that is his.
Now let me ask you one
prerogative, and
question,
nobody of us
Kamruzaman
should be able
Chaudhary
to
ji.
question him.
I've been,
But-
reasonably nice to you. Let me ask you this: have you heard of one gentleman called George Ponaiya? What level of fraud is he? Is he a fraud? First
the
of all,
point here is that you
no, 1 minute. Is George Ponaiya a fraud? Yes or no?
No, you
Is
need
George
to have the
Ponaiya a fraud,
concept
Mr.
of anybody
Kamruzaman
who is a
Chaudhary?
fraud, yes,
How
he
easy
needs
it
to be
is for you
convicted.
to be
He
dishing
needs to
out
be
certificates
but
to Hindu
I-
saints? No, 1 minute. To people associated with Sanatan. Sadhguru is a fraud. Dhirendra
not
Shastri
Hindu
is a fraud.
saints.
1 minute, 1
These
minute.
are not
1
Hindu
minute.
saints.
No.
No, this is
Sir,
not
1
a
minute.
saint.
You answer
These are
about
not
George
saints.
Ponaiya. Who is George
These are
Ponaiya?
not
Is he a
saints.
fraud?
These are all
Is he a fraud?
businessmen,
Is he a fraud?
business in the
Is
name
George
of
Ponaiya a
religion.
fraud, Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji?
In the name of religion.
Will you call George Ponaiya a fraud?
If UK
Why are
has
you
got
now
a Hindu
scared?
Prime
Why are
Minister,
you scared? Why are
Hindu
you
Prime
scared?
Minister
Why
in
are
the
you
United
scared?
Kingdom
Why are
is a
you
Christian
scared?
majority.
Why are
not
you
India
scared of?
have a Muslim Prime Minister in a Hindu majority
You are not answering
country?
my question. Is George Ponaiya a fraud? You will not call him a
UAE
fraud.
has got
You will not
40%
call him a
Hindus.
fraud
How
because you
many
will be
Hindus go in
crucified.
front of mosque
You will be
and
crucified
How many
metaphorically.
Hindus go in front of
No,
mosque
you will be
and
crucified. Because if you step the line with any other faith, you know the consequences. Some of it has been documented. Ishtaran, how easy it is for people like Kamruzaman Chaudhary to come on national television and berate Mahants as mafia and people like Dhirendra Shastri and Sadhguru as fraud.
Please do not interrupt me because this needs to be said. It has become very frequent for the likes of Kamruzaman Chaudhary. He is nobody to give a certificate of on people who are revered by a large segment of the doing a great service to humanity by calling Sadhguru as a fraud or as a fake person or as by calling Dhirendra Shastri ji as fake or fraud. He is committing crime under the law. It is not allowed for any reason to come out and insult people in this manner because he may not have faith in them or he may not have faith in Hinduism at large. Doesn't mean he can come and such offensive words to spiritual leaders. That is absolutely not permissible, and he can only do this because he believes he had the right of abusing all his freedom are punishable under criminal laws to use such words for people.
There is
in
no
whom
fear.
large
There is no
segments
fear because they know there will be no backlash.
use them.
Not even in terms of outrage. It's okay. You can call anyone fraud. शंकराचार्य को fraud बोल दीजिए. It's okay. योगी आदित्यनाथ जो महंत है, मठाधीश है, उनको माफिया बोल दीजिए. It's okay. क्या होगा? भूल जाएंगे. 2 दिन बाद फिर वापस आके ये लोग वही बोलेंगे. जॉर्ज पोनैया पे एक शब्द नहीं निकला. Who is George Ponaiya, viewers? Google his name. विवेक श्रीवास्तव को हंसी आ रही है. उनके तरह ही दिखते हैं वो. George Ponaiya. And the kind of things he said. I must applaud Abdul Razak Khan, who's taken a principled stand that you can't call people like Sadhguru fraud. You can't. Without any basis. Vivek Srivastava, was Aurangzeb a fraud?
No.
Aurangzeb fraud the?
No. Aurangzeb was a king and kings.
Aurangzeb was a king.
नहीं सर, मैं आपकी तरह बॉलीवुड से छावा फिल्म से प्रेरणा नहीं लेता.
नहीं, आप सर कैसे लेंगे? आप छावा से कैसे लेंगे? आप तो नहीं, आप तो आपके लिए तो फिल्म बॉलीवुड में नहीं बनेगी ना सर. दैट फिल्म हैज टू बी मेड इन चाइना. द फिल्म हैज टू बी मेड इन चाइना फॉर इट टू इंस्पायर. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आपको औरंगजेब फ्रॉड नहीं लग रहा है. The man the man who murdered Hindus, who ruled by the sword, was not a fraud, was not a murderer. But you are outraging about Kumbh, Mahashivratri, Vivek Srivastava.
अच्छा चलिए I'll ask you a simple question, प्रणेश रॉय. आज मैं 1 मिनट के लिए कभी कभी एंकर बनता हूं ना.
बनिए सर, आप बनिए.
आप मुझे कुछ मंदिरों का नाम बता सकते हैं जिसमें औरंगजेब ने डोनेशन किया हो? आपको पता ही नहीं होगा.
मैं बता देता हूं सर, 1 मिनट.
उसने जमीन दी उन मंदिरों को, आपको पता ही नहीं होगा.
इस पे मैं बता रहा हूं.
हिंदू राजाओं को औरंगजेब ने समर्थन किया,
ये जो
पता ही
सर
नहीं होगा.
देखिए 1 मिनट. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, जब ये मैं सवाल पूछता हूं, नहीं मैं जवाब दे रहा हूं. जब मैं ये सवाल पूछता हूं तो मुझे पता है ये क्या आपके जैसे लोग, पीपल विद दैट माइंडसेट क्या पूछेंगे कि देखिए औरंगजेब ने इतने मंदिर बनाए, नहीं 1 मिनट सर, 1 मिनट. इसके लिए मैंने 3-4 दिन पहले एक प्रोग्राम किया था, उसमें डिटेल से समझाया था. अभी मैं आपको ब्रीफ में बता देता हूं. जस्ट बिकॉज औरंगजेब allied with the Rajputs or had Hindus in his ranks, or Hindus were made generals of his militia or army, if you will, does not make Aurangzeb great. That is what monkey balancing. This is what Congress does with its brand of secularism. कि 4 बार गाली दो, फिर दिखा दो I am wearing a sacred janau, sacred thread, that I am a devout Hindu. 1 minute, sir. The people of the country will have no more of this. The people can see through things, and people, netas, and their hidden agenda. Enough of all this. अब विवेक श्रीवास्तव ऊपर से नीचे आ गए.
No hidden agendas. Aurangzeb was the king of United India for 50 years. That is one truth. You can say untruth. अब आप उसका गुस्सा पिक्चर बना करके निकाल लीजिए.
No, 1 minute. What you are saying is just as true as someone saying there is democracy in China. 1 minute, Vivek Srivastava. 1 minute, Vivek Srivastava. Does China have democracy? Does China have democracy?
China is a communist country. Why should it have democracy?
फिर why should a democratic country have communists?
जा रहा था.
Why should a democratic country have communists?
नहीं. What do you mean? They are different form of governments.
नहीं, क्या different form of government? नहीं, आप बताइए.
Democracy. Well, this is a vague question, यार.
Vague question नहीं है. आपको बुरा लग रहा है. आप बुरा लग रहा है. मैं आपको, I am not asking you to go to China.
Governance है.
I will still tolerate Vivek Srivastava in India. But sir, when you cross the line, no. When you cross the line, Vivek Srivastava, it's not on. Sorry, I'm low. No.
मत करिए.
People like you who've glorified Aurangzeb for decades must be exposed, and I'm glad our viewers are taking note of this. संजू वर्मा, वो औरंगजेब रोड का नाम तो चेंज कर दिया आपकी सरकार ने, उसके बगल में एक विवेक श्रीवास्तव के लिए प्लाक लगाना पड़ेगा.
Pranesh, बहुत, your audience is very smart. Yours is a widely watched show. My religion teaches me to fight valiantly for my wife, the way Prabhu Ram fought for the honor of Mata Sita. My religion teaches one brother to sacrifice for another, the way Lakshman and Bharat sacrificed for Prabhu Ram. They gave up their kingdom. My religion does not teach me to marry my own son's wife. My religion does not teach me to imprison my own father. My religion does not teach me to keep 1,000 wives. My religion does not teach me to eliminate my brothers for the interests of my own kingdom and for own expansionist interests. So me and you are not the same. My religion teaches me sacrifice, teaches me valor, teaches me how to respect the dignity of women. Your religion allows you to marry your own son's wife. तो आप और हम एक जैसे नहीं हैं. And I have not named anyone. समझदार को इशारा काफी है. और last but not the least, since everybody quotes data, it is said by Pew Research Center between now and 2030, Islam will grow by 38%, Christianity by 25%, but because Hindus don't believe in forcible conversions, Hinduism will grow by only 23%. Today there are more than 2.5 billion Christians.
Right.
Today there are more than 2.1 billion Muslims, but only 1.8 billion Hindus. And Pew Research Center says this is because Hindus don't convert. हालांकि Hinduism is more than 5,000 years old, Islam is only 1,400 years old, and Christianity is only 2,000 years old. तो हमको भाषण मत दो.
Vivek Srivastava is now eulogizing Aurangzeb. I am not surprised one bit.
No, Pranesh, he will not document which facts of all the mandirs Aurangzeb broke. But the bigger debate, I will tell you, the problem that Kamru Zamans of the world will have with spiritual leaders like Sadhguru, like Dhirendra Shastri ji is that they are working in remote rural areas. They are preventing conversion from happening. They are giving succor, education, medicine to lot of poor people who are still deprived. And that, because the expansion agenda, and Sanju Verma quoted certain figures of Pew Research, we are the only nation where the majority community needs an anti-conversion law. Can you imagine? Most countries, minorities go to the government and say, please make anti-conversion laws because the minorities are being converted. Here, the minority and certain minorities want there not to be an anti-conversion laws, and the majority wants to bring anti-conversion laws. That is the state of affairs on ground. And that is why Kamru Zaman and people like him can come on national television and cast such aspersions on spiritual leaders.
No, but
And
Kamru
that
Zaman
needs to be
Chaudhary
allowed.
will have to
That
answer
cannot be
this.
allowed to go
Ishtaran,
indefinitely.
you know, I'm sure you would remember when Kamal Nath had met Dhirendra Shastri, Sonia Gandhi's letter to Sadhguru. Now, why are top Congress leaders, Congress veterans, so to say, writing to frauds? Kamru Zaman ji, why? Have you run out of noble people?
Pranesh, one question. Pranesh, one simple question I'm asking. Who is a bigger tyrant? Aurangzeb or General Dyer? Whom do you consider as a bigger tyrant?
सर आप बता दीजिए, वो तो आपके जो दोस्त है वो बोल रहे हैं औरंगजेब was a king.
Excellent discussion going on. Now, Pradesh, let me just finish. 2025 to 1947, the history is there in the RSS books. But the last 200 years, they have simply erased
Kamru
it
Zaman
from the
Chaudhary ji,
history.
1 minute, sir. Why did Sonia Gandhi write to Sadhguru? Answer my question. Answer my question. Don't talk about General Dyer. Answer my question. Why did Sonia Gandhi write to Sadhguru? Why did Kamal Nath meet Dhirendra Shastri? Why did Revant Reddy meet Sadhguru? Why?
No, the point that you are asking is that why are Hindus not dancing in front of mosques?
I am
in the
asking you a
United Arab
question
Emirates?
for
Why is
which
there
you
not a
have
Hindu
no
Prime
answers.
Minister in
Kamru Zaman
Hindu
Chaudhary
Prime
ji,
Minister? That's
1
the
minute, sir,
question.
1 minute.
That's your
The
question,
Aurangzeb
logic.
fan club has enough
Why are-
people.
why
You
are
don't have
Hindus
to,
not
you know,
playing
join
in
that
the
fan
50%
club.
Hindu country
Vivek
of
Srivastava
Dubai?
will regret. I'm telling you, Vivek
Why are
Srivastava
not
will
Hindus
regret that
dancing in
Panchar
front
wala
of
comment that is
mosques
made
or in mosques
by
in Dubai?
stereotyping people and community. But, you know, that is Vivek Srivastava for you. It's okay. Let's move on. I thank you, Mr. Katia, for joining us on this one. Viewers, let's shift our attention quickly.